How does thicker, fuller hair in 30 days sound to you? For anyone with thinning hair, it's music to their ears. And as a stylist, it means a powerful new tool you can use to help your clients look their best. Hi, I'm Jason Morgan, and today I will introduce you to Redken's answer to thinning hair. New Intra. Intra offers a three-pronged approach designed to address thinning hair as well as boost your business. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
So before we talk about Intraforce thinning hair solutions, let's briefly go through what causes the hair to thin. Several factors play a role in thinning hair, including genetics, lifestyle, and aging. But premature thinning has been directly linked to three physiological factors. The first being enzymatic conversion of testosterone to dehydroxytestosterone, or let's just say DHT. DHT is a toxin that blocks receptor sites in the follicle that normally attract nutrients. DHT results when testosterone that is naturally present in hair follicles reacts with an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. Second is suffocation of the hair bulb. As collagen accumulates around the hair bulb, it hardens, resulting in suffocation of the bulb. The hardened collagen prevents the root from taking a firm, deep hold in the scalp. And the third physiological factor is poor nutrition due to decreased microcirculation. Compression at the bulb prevents the flow of oxygen and nutrients carried by microcirculation from reaching the follicle. Through a targeted combination of zinc, PCA, arginine, and vitamin E, Intraforce promotes hair density and combats these physiological factors. Zinc PCA detoxifies and helps reduce excess sebum and DHT on the hair and scalp to promote density. Arginine, an essential amino acid, helps stimulate the scalp. Vitamin E derivative nourishes the scalp to provide an optimal environment for healthy hair. Through this exclusive technology, Intraforce provides proven results of thicker, fuller hair in just 30 days, and up to a 95% decrease in premature breakage with continued use. Let's go through a few tips to use when talking to your clients about thinning hair. Even though it's a common problem, it can still be difficult to talk about. It's very important to use the right approach to maintain the client's trust and self-esteem. Ask your client if they've observed any changes in the condition of their hair. Most often, clients will start the conversation by saying they've noticed their hair is appearing thinner, or they've seen an increase in the amount of hair in the shower drain or on their brush. Remember that hair thinning can affect men and women differently. In men, with balding of the vertex, the size of the balding spot has progressively increased over the years. In frontal balding, the hairline has progressively receded. In women, the diameter of the ponytail has become smaller over time. As well, the parting may show more scalp than normal. In the area where the scalp is most visible, you should look for a large number of follicles that are producing shorter, thinner, less pigmented hairs. Early detection often leads to a higher chance of successful treatment. As I mentioned earlier, Intraforce offers a three-pronged approach. Purify, the scalp stimulant in-salon service. Densify, customizable daily 3-step regimen. Intensify, targeted treatments for more personalized care. First, we have Purify, our exclusive in-salon scalp stimulate service. This is Redken's first microdermabrasion-inspired treatment that uses exfoliation to unclog follicle sites and renew scalp skin to improve the delivery of active ingredients. If you notice your client has thinning hair, recommend the Scalp Stimulate service, which I'll demonstrate in just a moment. Now let's talk about Densify, the customizable daily 3-step regimen. Intraforce offers 2 systems, one for natural thinning hair and the other for color-treated hair. The main difference between the two is that the system for color-treated hair has UV filters for color protection and also provides additional conditioning benefits. Both systems include these three products: Intra shampoo, toner, and scalp treatment. Let's start with Intra shampoo. This detoxifying cleanser gently helps reduce excess sebum and DHT to promote hair density and a healthy scalp. Next is the nourishing toner that detangles, moisturizes, and strengthens the hair to prevent premature breakage and improve manageability. Last but not least is the fast-absorbing scalp treatment that energizes and promotes hair density so hair looks visibly fuller and thicker. Users will see thicker, fuller hair after 30 days using either of these systems. In addition to the daily at-home care, Intraforce offers two targeted intensive treatments, which are Micro Boost, Hair Advance, and one treatment styler, Hair Densifier. Micro Boost is for clients with advanced thinning across the crown and the forehead compared to the rest of the scalp. It delivers advanced nourishment to thicker scalp skin, characteristic of low-density hairlines. Formulated with arginine and niacin E, it provides a warming sensation that energizes the scalp and promotes a healthy environment to improve the appearance of thinning hair. Next is Hair Advance, which offers the highest concentration of arginine for the most efficient action on thicker scalp skin. It contains omega-6 to energize the scalp and vitamins B3 and E to provide additional nourishment. This intensive formula is recommended for clients with thinning hair intensified by stress or seasonal changes, or who are experiencing advanced hair thinning. The treatment styler, Hair Densifier, is a weightless, PDP-free densifying aerosol mousse that provides lasting volume, shape, and definition to all types of thinning hair. It leaves the hair more supple and easy to style. And it won't build up on the hair. So let's take a look at Intraforce in full force by going through how to perform the Scalp Stimulate service. Start the service by wearing gloves and apply to a dry scalp. Place the applicator tip near the front of the scalp, 1 inch from the hairline, and begin sectioning the hair using the applicator tip. Apply the product in diagonal lines throughout the entire scalp, taking sections that are approximately 1 inch apart. Massage the scalp in a gentle, upward circular motion for 1 minute until well distributed. If the client is experiencing scalp flaking prior to the treatment, massage the scalp for up to 3 minutes. Process for 10 minutes without heat. Gently massage the scalp again before rinsing with warm water, working the treatment out of the hair and off of the scalp until the water runs clear. Next, apply the appropriate 3-step Intraforce system, in this case for natural thinning hair. Apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage into a lather, and rinse. Apply the toner, comb through to distribute evenly, and rinse. energize the scalp and promote hair density, apply Intra Scalp Treatment. Spray directly on clean, towel-dried scalp and massage to stimulate microcirculation. Do not rinse. To finish, apply Hair Densifier Bodifying Foam to provide lasting volume and shape without buildup. Comb through and do not rinse. Blow dry and style as usual. For maximum results, the Scalp Stimulate service should be used in conjunction with the appropriate Intra at-home daily regimen, including any recommended targeted treatments. For clients with more advanced signs of thinning hair, recommend Intra Hair Advance, or for low-density hairlines, Micro Boost Intensive Treatment. Well, there you have it. Intra is a new complete system that improves the appearance of thinning hair in 30 days. From the professional in-salon service to the at-home systems and targeted treatments, you can help clients get to the root of thicker hair while also bringing a valuable new service and a retail revenue opportunity to your salon. A really great selling point when speaking to your clients about Intra is that they can try it risk-free. Redken is so sure that clients will see great results from Intra that they are offering a money-back guarantee. If for some reason your client isn't satisfied with Intra 3-step system after 30 days of use, they can contact Redken for a full refund. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, if you need more information on any Redken product, you can log on to redken.com 24/7. On behalf of Redken, I'm Jason Morgan. Thanks for being a part of it.